Hey everyone, and welcome to Ash Top 5 Explore. The modern world is rapidly evolving, demanding a new set of skills from individuals to thrive. While academic knowledge is essential, it's the development of certain skills that truly sets students apart. Let's dive into the top 5 skills every student needs to succeed. Top 5 skills every student should develop. Skill number 1: critical thinking and problem solving. It's not just about finding the right answer, it's about asking the right questions. Learn to analyze information, evaluate evidence, and come up with creative solutions. This skill will be your superpower in every aspect of life. Skill number 2: communication and collaboration. Effective communication is the cornerstone of success. It encompasses both verbal and nonverbal skills, including active listening, clear expression, and persuasive speaking. Collaboration involves working effectively with others to achieve common goals. These skills are essential for building strong relationships and achieving collective success. Skill number 3: adaptability and resilience. The world is constantly changing, and the ability to adapt to new circumstances is crucial. Resilience is the power to bounce back from setbacks and challenges. Students who develop these skills are better equipped to navigate life's uncertainties and embrace opportunities. Skill number 4: digital literacy and technology skills. We live in a digital age. Mastering technology is essential. From coding to online research, develop a strong foundation in digital literacy. Students should develop strong digital literacy skills, including critical thinking about online information, digital citizenship, and effective use of technology tools. This will not only boost your academic performance, but also open doors to countless opportunities. Skill number 5: emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions, as well as recognize and respond to the emotions of others. It involves empathy, self-awareness, and social skills. Developing emotional intelligence helps students build strong relationships, manage stress, and achieve personal and academic goals. By focusing on these 5 essential skills, students can build a strong foundation for success. These skills are not just for school, they're for life. By investing in these areas, you're investing in your future. So, start building your skill set today. Empower yourself. Shape your future. Which skill do you have now? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.